Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted destination to uncover the truth behind trending online products. Today, we're reviewing a buzzing gadget called the LilCooler, a mini air cooler claiming to deliver powerful cooling in a compact size. But is it really worth your money, or just another overhyped scam? Let's find out. So, what exactly is LilCooler? It's being advertised as a portable, rechargeable, and powerful mini air cooler, perfect for personal use at your desk, in your car, or even while camping. The product promises quick cooling, energy efficiency, and a whisper-quiet operation. Sounds perfect, right? But as we all know, not everything that looks cool actually is cool. After digging deeper, here's what we found from real users. Yes, it's compact and easy to carry. It works decently in a very small space, like right in front of your face. But the cooling power is weak. It's more like a mini fan with a mist function, not a real air conditioner. It only cools the air for a very short distance. The battery drains quickly, and many users complained about poor build quality. Some websites are selling it at inflated prices, making it look like a premium gadget when it's not. And here's the big red flag. Many of these sellers don't offer proper return or customer support. So, is the LilCooler worth buying? Well, if you're expecting a full-room cooler, you'll be disappointed. But if you need a tiny, personal fan for a very short time and understand its limitations, it might be okay, but only at a cheap price. Our final verdict: LilCooler is not a scam, but it's definitely overhyped. For many, it might feel like a waste of money, especially with those flashy ads making big claims. Always check real reviews, compare prices, and know exactly what you're buying. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we save your time, money, and sanity. Got a product you want us to review next? Let us know in the comments. Thank you!